Okay, let's just jump right in. We're going to talk about a method for boosting your AI's performance that's so simple, you're going to wonder how you ever missed it. It's a technique that's basically hiding in plain sight, and in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain.
You know the feeling, right? You've got a powerful language model. You've given it all the right tools to do a job, and it still, somehow, makes a really simple mistake. It is so frustrating, and it makes you feel like you're missing something really obvious. Well, guess what? You probably are.
So to really get what's going on, let's think about our AI for a second. It's this incredible, complex piece of technology, but at the end of the day, sometimes it's just confused. And the reason why is often way, way simpler than you think.
So picture this. Your AI is like an employee who's just been handed a new tool. Maybe it's an API for checking system logs or one for pulling user data, whatever. The point is, the tool is there, it's ready to go, and the AI knows it exists.
But here's the thing. To the AI, that tool is just a name, a function it can call. It's basically a blank box. Without any kind of description or context, how is it supposed to know what the tool does, or more importantly, when it's supposed to use it? It's like being handed a key, but you have no idea which door it opens. It's just a guessing game.
All right, so enough about the problem. Let's talk about the fix. It's called the About Text Protocol, and honestly, it's a beautifully simple, almost elegant solution to this very common headache.
At its heart, the About Text protocol is pretty much what it sounds like. All you're doing is adding a short, simple, plain English description to your tool or your API. It's not fancy code. It's just a sentence that tells the AI what the tool is actually for. And look how ridiculously easy this is. A developer literally just opens up the API object, adds a single line of descriptive text, and hits save. That's it. We're talking about a fix that takes, 30 seconds? Not hours, not days, seconds.
So you might be wondering, okay, how can something so incredibly simple have such a big impact? Well, it's because you're not just adding text. You're fundamentally changing how the AI sees its world. You're giving it the one missing piece it desperately needs to actually reason properly.
This slide just nails it. Look at the before. All the AI sees is a name, job queue log. What does that do? Is it for reading logs, writing to them, deleting them? The AI has to guess. But now look at the after. That little about text says it all. Accesses the log of recent system jobs. Instantly, all the confusion is just gone. And this quote right here, it sums up the whole idea perfectly. That tiny bit of text is like a mini instruction manual for that specific tool. It gives the AI the context it needs, it defines the tool's purpose, and it guides the model's logic so it can choose the right tool for the right job every single time. So, what does this actually look like when it all comes together? Let's go back to our little stick figure AI and watch how this one tiny change leads to a huge win. With that about text in place, it's as if the AI finally puts on a pair of glasses. All of a sudden, the fuzzy, confusing world just snaps into focus. That blank box isn't a mystery anymore. It has a name, it has a purpose, and it's crystal clear. And the result is immediate. The AI can now confidently look at a request, scan the tools it has, and correctly pick out the job queue log as the perfect fit for the task. It understands what to do, it identifies the right way to do it, and it makes the right decision. No more guesswork. And that is the outcome we're all looking for, isn't it? An AI that works effectively, that uses its tools the right way, and that gets the job done right the first time. It's a win for the AI, a win for the developer, and a win for whoever is using the product. Everybody's happy. Now, this isn't just some nice theory. The impact is real, and it is huge. Putting this protocol into practice can slash tool use errors by, in some cases, as much as 90%. I mean, just let that sink in. A change that takes less than a minute can wipe out nearly all of these kinds of failures. That is an absolutely incredible return on investment. So, the About Text protocol really proves that sometimes the most powerful solutions aren't the most complex ones. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple, elegant secrets are just sitting out there waiting to be found that could unlock the next big leap in AI's potential?